world where you can use decentralized apps, play blockchain games, and transfer digital assets, all without ever worrying about transaction fees. Sounds impossible? Well, Pi Network is quietly working to make this a reality, and the implications could shake up the entire Web3 landscape. Over 50 million users might soon have access to a blockchain-based app store with zero gas fees right from their phones. This isn't just another incremental update in crypto, it's a potential game changer. Let's break down what this means. You're probably familiar with the Apple App Store, a marketplace where you can download and use apps with just a few taps. Now, imagine Pi Network building something similar, but for the world of Web3. Think decentralized applications, NFT marketplaces, blockchain games, and financial tools, all seamlessly accessible, all running on the Pi blockchain, and, most importantly, none of them requiring you to pay gas fees. No more complicated wallets to set up, no more buying tokens just to use an app. Pi's vision is to make blockchain as easy and accessible as using any mainstream app store. How is this possible? The answer lies in the unique resource management system of the Pi network. Instead of relying on traditional gas fees, Pi's infrastructure allocates computational resources across its vast global network, allowing dApps to operate without charging users every time they interact with the blockchain. Developers can deploy their apps, users can interact, and the whole process becomes as smooth as using any Web2 service. No technical hurdles, no hidden costs. This isn't just theory. The past few months have brought a flurry of developments that hint at Pi's ambitious plans. The Pi core team recently released a major update to their software development kit, making it easier and faster for developers to integrate Web3 features into their apps. Already, we're seeing a wave of mini dApps being tested on Pi browser, everything from simple games to NFT wallets and e-commerce platforms. These aren't just proofs of concept. They're real applications running on the Pi network, demonstrating what a frictionless blockchain experience could look like. What's more, leaks and community reports suggest that Pi's upcoming App Store will be built directly into the Pi browser. This would make it the central hub of the Pi ecosystem, a one-stop shop where users can discover, install, and use a wide variety of decentralized applications without ever leaving the Pi environment. For developers, this means instant access to a massive user base. For users, it means unprecedented convenience and accessibility. Now, let's consider the potential impact if Pi succeeds in rolling out this vision. The blockchain space has long struggled with usability. High gas fees on networks like Ethereum have made many dApps prohibitively expensive for everyday users. Even faster, lower-cost chains like Solana still charge some transaction fees and require users to manage wallets and tokens. Pi's approach is radically different. No fees, no complicated onboarding, just a Pi account and a smartphone. If they pull this off, Pi could become the most widely used blockchain in the world, bringing millions of new users into the Web3 fold. Think about the comparisons. Ethereum is powerful, but gas fees can spike unpredictably, pricing out casual users. Solana is fast and efficient, but you still need to pay to play. With Pi, the promise is simple: zero fees, intuitive access, and a massive, already engaged community. For users, this means you can try out new apps, buy and sell digital goods, and even earn income without ever worrying about transaction costs. For developers, it's a chance to reach a global audience without the friction that has held back so many promising blockchain projects. Of course, this raises the question, is now the right time to invest in Pi? Currently, Pi's over-the-counter value hovers between 2 and 8 USDT, depending on the market and region. But if the Pi App Store launches successfully and attracts real user activity, demand for Pi tokens could surge, potentially multiplying its value tenfold or more. The key to sustainable growth in any blockchain ecosystem is a strong, active community and real-world utility. Pi is building both, with millions of users mining, testing dApps, and participating in the network every day. For those looking to get involved, the opportunities are clear. Accumulating Pi tokens early, participating in dApp testing, and engaging with the Pi Core team's initiatives could yield significant rewards. As the ecosystem matures, early adopters stand to benefit the most from the growth in both utility and token value. This isn't just about speculation, it's about being part of a movement that aims to make blockchain technology accessible to everyone, everywhere. Looking ahead, the possibilities are staggering. Imagine being able to shop online, play your favorite games, or even receive your salary, all within the Pi ecosystem, and all without paying a single transaction fee. This could be the breakthrough that finally brings blockchain to the mainstream, making it as easy and commonplace as using any traditional app on your phone. The future is coming fast, and Pi Network is positioning itself at the forefront of this new wave. If they succeed, Pi could become the world's most popular blockchain, transforming the way we interact with digital services and assets. Are you ready to be part of this revolution? If you believe in Pi's vision, show your support and let the world know you're a pioneer. The next era of Web3 is just around the corner. Don't miss out. Get involved, stay informed, and prepare for the tidal wave of innovation that Pi Network is bringing to the blockchain world.